off-road trail, man.
Why don't you use some skills to, open the gate, do some magic, G-boom, push.
Hey, hi, how are you? Ella unnaru update keso ellarigu namaskara. This is me, your Rupesh. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Our channel has content related to travel, motovlogging and lifestyle. Okay, I'm out for a weekend ride. So this video will be a complete motovlogging. It's been 3 months I did a motovlog. So I'm back with another motovlog today. I came for a ride with Tuskers Bangalore club. We are going to BR Hills for a small off-road trail. We are in Shalini grounds, Jayanagar. Time is 6:20 am. We'll start in another 5 minutes.
So we are on the way to BR Hills today. So we are some around 40 bikers here who will be riding towards BR Hills. The first stop will be at Mandarthi Gardenia for the breakfast. We'll have a breakfast over there, and after that we'll be riding to the destination. So riding rules will be simple. We'll be riding in a single lane.
So we are starting. Time is 6:45. It was a little late. Okay, there is Nikhil bro, admin, founder of Tuskers Bangalore. Basically, Tuskers Bangalore club is more of Royal Enfield bikes, so the ride will be smooth and slow today. I told we are going to BR Hills. BR Hills is nothing but Bilikal Rangaswamy Betta. It is 90 kilometers from Bangalore and near Kanakpura, so we are going towards Kanakpura side. The last ride I remember was Kaigal Falls, which was in February. After February, I didn't make any group ride or I didn't go for any ride on the bike. It was Andaman in between, then one sports meet. It was first sport meet and then Andaman. So last month in April completely there was no ride, and even May there was no ride. Today the date is May 29th. We're outside the city. The temperature is a pretty good 25 degrees centigrade. The weather is so cool. It's a very good climate to ride bike. The cool breeze on the body. Road, it's pretty good, but there are a lot of speed breakers. Traffic is okay. We'll stop first for breakfast. Once we have our breakfast and settle down a bit, then we'll go to the hilltop. There is road expansion work going on here and there. It is becoming too clumsy. Bullet. Royal Enfield sound. Watch. How is the road now? This is how it is becoming in most of the places. Overtaking in curves. Be very careful. Okay. See how the bikes are jammed up. Okay, we have reached the breakfast point. So Mandarthi Gardenia. See how many people are here. Nice. Breakfast time. Full crowded. Star crowd only. Around 60 people. Bike parking is there. Karthik. Peace. Bro.
ಕಮಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಅವಳು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಕಮಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದಾರೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದಾರಂತೆ ಹಂಗೆ.
We are having fun. We are waiting for breakfast. See the crowd. Heavy crowd. Hotel is almost houseful. So we are waiting for breakfast. Done with breakfast and we are heading to Bilikal Rangaswamy Betta. It's 25 kilometers from here. But it's 25 kilometers from here, and Google Maps is showing around 55 minutes, so it will take close to 1 hour. Time is 9 a.m. It's very very late today, but still it's okay. There is off-road trail. I will show you. This is my first off-road trail. Little excited. I didn't go for any off-road trail till now in this Dominar, and I'm not a big fan of off-road trail, but let me enjoy it. Nikhil bro is shooting reels. We took a diversion from that highway and now we're going inside. There is a board written there, Malagallu Chakanhalli. Pure single lane, single road, two-way. Oops. There are many couple riders as well. You can see them shooting videos. So even this star is from our group, Kanakpura Border Limitants. I think we have entered the off-road trail. Not yet. This star is also from our group, so there are two stars today. I have wore new gloves, so I'm unable to switch off GoPro. They were just checking me if I'm all okay. So even I'm standing and riding. Okay, there are bikers, everyone waiting. I don't know what happened. Maybe they are not allowing, or we need some permission kind something. Why are we waiting?
YouTuber.
Hey, go fast. We're waiting for a photo.
Okay, photo.
It's a YouTuber. We are not supposed to go inside, it seems.
Why?
Why don't you use some skills to, open the gate? Do some magic. G-boom. Push.
Full party and photo shoots are going on. Okay, people are going. I'll tell you why we stopped. Initially they were not allowing. See the off-road trail. Initially they were not allowing, and then they allowed. They asked 100 rupees per bike, but negotiated to 50 rupees and paid. Oops, see the off-road. Ow. Small off-road trail. half of the people left and half are coming behind. Heavy off-road. Okay, here the road is good. We'll see. Okay. Only first gear. Bangalore is actually not meant for off-roading. It's a tourer and you can do little off-roading but not too much. Good that I came slow so that I can have a clear view. Ooh. See the off-road trail, man.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೈಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Oh my god, oh my god. We have reached to the top of the hill. Not a big off-road, but it was definitely a good off-road trail. Okay, everyone have parked. I'll go somewhere and park. Photo session. Done. See the crowd. All these are from our group only. Watch what they are doing with tar. See where. Watch where the tar is parked.
ಅದೇನೋ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳು ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಬ್ರೋ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದ ಆ ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಿಕ್ಕು ನಂಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಸೇಮ್
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಗಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಗಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಹುಷಾರು ಫುಲ್
You don't need forehead.
Steering right. I mean to say left. Straight. ಬನ್ನಿ
ಬಾ ಇನ್ನ ಬಾ
ಬನ್ನಿ ನಿಮಿಷ ಬನ್ನಿ
ಬೈಕ್ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಬೈಕ್
ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ತೆಗಿರಪ್ಪ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿರಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಬನ್ನಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು
ಯಾಕೋ ಏನೋ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಬಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ
ಯಾಕ್ರೋ
ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೇಮರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕುದಿಯೋದೊಂದು ಬಾಕಿ
Crazy off-road skills and crazy off-roading is going on here. Thar and bikes. We took some good photos, had some fun there, and now we're getting down. Climbing up is one thing and climbing down is one thing. Off-roading. Done with the off-roading. It was little tough because this is my first time, but okay, it was good, manageable. It was close to 5 kilometers. It's pretty good. I think people are waiting here. No, they are going. Okay, let's go home now. What a time! I just switched on camera.
You're waiting?
I just switched on camera.
Show me. This guy is getting married again. See?
I was I was just about to tell we have stopped here for having water.
Guys, we have just stopped here to have water or quarter, but unfortunately no quarter because it's a ride. So only we are just having some water. And Rupesh, wonderful guy. Please do subscribe his channel, guys. You know what? For every one subscriber, it means a lot.
See, Nikhil Bulta's 69 Wanderlust, there is channel. I will leave icon about link also. He is the one who supported me a lot. No, that is Bulta's.
This is 69.
69 Wanderlust is his YouTube channel name. Please do subscribe.
Right now it is not active, but obviously the moment I hit, the railway station, I will. Okay, so chill out, bro. Anything to say?
Nothing. Start.
We'll start the ride.
Too hot.
It's too hot, guys. Okay. Temperature is 40. It's showing here 40.
40?
Yeah.
Really 40, huh?
See?
40 degrees.
Oh.
Even in Bangalore, huh? We started back to Bangalore. That water break is done. It was fun. Wherever Nikhil bro is there, it will be definitely fun, and he's a very friendly guy and very sweet person. He supported me a lot and he's still supporting me. He's also one YouTuber, so he knows how YouTube life will be, so he's supporting me. And biking brotherhood is that sweet. I never knew him before coming to Bull Tuskers Club, but once I came to Bull Tuskers Club, he received me very good. He's the admin and founder of Bull Tuskers. If you're wondering where I am, I'm in Let's Get Up, which is in HSR layout. I directly came here from the ride for my friend's riding pant. So that was the weekend ride to Bilikal Rangaswamy Betta, which we called BR Hills. There is another BR Hills, but this is not that BR Hills. So it is 80 kilometers. While going, I told 90 kilometers, but it is just 80 kilometers. Up and down, it is 160 kilometers from Bangalore. And people who want to do a off-road trail, small off-road trail, beginner off-road trail with your friends, you can go there. And on top of the hill, there is a small temple, and there is a panoramic view of the valley, which is very scenic. And you can spend some hardly 10 to 15 minutes there because there is nothing much. There is no shops, no water, nothing available on top of the hill. So that's it for the weekend, and one more weekend ride completed, and many more weekend rides and many more rides, trips are coming on the channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you guys like this video, please press the like button. This is me, Rupesh, signing off. Take care, catch you in the next video. Bye bye.